Convert any logo to SVG. Here I'm going to show you how to convert any logo to SVG with Gemini AI. Now here how to do it. You can do this with many Google tools which has image generative ability like anti-gravity, but here we are going to convert it on Gemini AI only. Here to do it, what you will do now here is to first, here we are going to create this application inside Gemini AI which we are going to use to convert any logo to SVG. Here like this. First let's create the application, and here paste this prompt here. Here click on tools, select canvas, and here click on, make sure you select thinking. Here you can see select thinking, and here click on send here. Now wait for it to create the application which we are going to convert any logo to SVG. As you can see, it is creating it. Now after creating the app, what you do now is to upload the logo you want to edit. Note that there is some logo that is inputted in Gemini like Facebook and Amazon, which you can find the SVG file easy and it will get it accurately. But here to convert your own logo to SVG, now here to do it, what you do now is to here this overall icon here. Now upload the logo you want to convert to SVG. Click on it like this, and then click on done, and wait for it. You can follow the setup process, but here let's use the default process. Now click on convert to SVG like this, and wait for it. Now here you can see the SVG code here. After converting it, here you can see the SVG. You can click on copy here. You can see the SVG code here. Here are the SVG code. Now let's know how accurate this SVG code is. Let's check it on my website. And here on the back end, let me post the SVG code here. Yeah, let's preview it. You can see how it converted here. You can see. Now let's change it here. Convert another logo here and know how accurate it will be. And here let me try with this logo here, and then click on done. Know that in some Google, like this Google new logo here, you might not get it that accurately if you didn't set this aspect ratios. Know all this here before converting into SVG. Now after setting up this feature, what you do now is to click on this convert to SVG here like this. Now it will convert it. You can download the SVG here by clicking on download, or just click on copy here. Now let's test it again and know how perfect it is. Now let's preview it. And here you can see the logo. You can edit it here how you like. Here, edit it how you like, change many things. That's the benefit of this SVG. Even the color, even the size, even the, you can even zoom it without having any issue. Now here, let's try entirely new logo which is not saved in Gemini data. Let's try entirely new one. So you can remove it by just clicking here, and then click on here this icon here again. Let's try entirely new logo. Here I'm looking for the folder where I've saved the logo here. And here let me convert this into SVG and know how quickly it will get it. And here let's convert it. Now it will create the SVG, and here let's copy it and go to the website again. And let me give it a name, and let's preview it. You can see here, you can see it convert it accurately. Just adding a little touch up on it. In order to get it accurate to you, you must try it continuously. Make sure you set up this feature, continue testing it. for you to get that. If you didn't get it accurately for the first time.
The prompt to create the application is in the description section, so use it and tell me how it works. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial.
So check out the playlist on the screen. You have to know everything on Gemini AI based on Google tutorial. Now, see you there.